You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these names correctly and clarify the pronunciation, or should I say the pronunciations. Yes, there are different ways of pronouncing it. I suspect most people searching for how to pronounce these names are looking for how to pronounce the name of the law firm, as the Americans would say. This is a German name that is pronounced Weil in German originally. In French, it also exists and it's pronounced Weil. Now, in English, especially the law firm, this name is usually pronounced as Weil. If you're looking at how to say the company name, it's Weil. Easy. Weil. In German, Weil. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.